Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we are going to look at ANOVA two-factor with the replica and without replica in Excel. So for you to perform that, you need to have data for you to perform that analysis. Second, you need to have data analysis icon in your Excel, and if you don't have it, you can add it. And how do you do it? You go to File, More, Options, Add-in, and then you click Analysis Toolpack. So if in case I didn't have the data analysis icon in my Excel, I could have clicked here and then I click OK, but already I have it, so I won't click OK. This one was for those people who doesn't have data analysis icon in their Excel. So we can proceed with analysis. So this is the data that I'm going to use. So this is the data that I'm going to use to do the analysis. And the first analysis, we are going to do ANOVA two-factor with replica. So we are going to go to, you can highlight the whole data and then go to data analysis and then you perform. Or the other way is you click the data analysis icon and then you select the ANOVA two-factor with the replication and then you click OK. And then you select the range. Sorry for that. So you're going to select the range and then rows per sample, it's 2. Each and every fertilizer type is appearing 2. So we have type A and type B, and all of them are appearing 2. So and then we have here alpha 0.05, and then the output you select where you want your output to appear. It can appear in the new worksheet play, or it can appear in the new workbook. I want it to appear in this cell, and then you click OK, and then here your analysis is there, so you can adjust the column so that you can view very well. So you can adjust the column. So you have the summary where you have in terms of so we were comparing the type of fertilizer and the performance of the type of fertilizer, and also the main difference between type of fertilizer and the irrigation methods. So you have the summary table, and then you have the ANOVA table. You have your p-value here. Then you have the degree of freedom. Yeah, so that's how you can conduct ANOVA two-factor with replica in Excel. So we can do the ANOVA analysis, and this one we are going to use without replication. So you go to analysis and then you click the ANOVA two-factor without replication, and then you click OK. So I want to select, so you select your data, and then the labels should be ticked, then alpha 0.05, and then the output range, I don't want it to override the other, so I'm going to click another cell to have it, and then you click OK. Then you have your analysis. Yeah. So this is how you can do the ANOVA with the replication and without replication in Excel. But the best analysis software to use when you want to do this analysis is to use either the Starter, the SPSS, the R, or the SAS. So those are the best software to use, but you can always use Excel if you don't have those softwares, because those softwares you need to pay for them. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope it has helped you and it has educated you. Subscribe for more ideas and knowledge, and share with others so that they can also learn.